हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। आइडेंटिफाई द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स। तो इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में हमें तीन फिगर्स गिवन है, नेम्ड एज ए, बी एंड सी, एंड वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द नेम ऑफ ईच ऑर्गेनिज्म। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम जो कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे दैट विल बी डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड देयर की फीचर्स। बिकॉज ऐसे डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के लिए जो हमारी एनसीईआरटी डायग्राम्स की विजुअलाइजेशन है दैट शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ so that we can easily identify the figures given in that particular question. Moving forward, जो फिगर A है, it shows two flagella, जिसमें से जो first flagella है that is quite long, whereas जो दूसरा flagella है that is short. Hence, जो ये characteristic feature है, it is seen for organism Euglena. Hence, जो figure A है, it shows Euglena, which was included under the group Euglenoids, और जो इसका kingdom था that was Protista. Moving to its basic features, जो Euglena है वो एक fresh water organism है, which means we can find Euglena in fresh water bodies. Secondly, Euglena में जो cell wall होती है that is absent, whereas एक protein rich layer देखी गई as its outer boundary, which was called as pellicle. जो Euglena का nutrition होता है that is a mixotrophic nutrition, which means in presence of sunlight it behaves as an autotrophic organism, whereas in the absence of sunlight it shows a heterotrophic nutrition. जो Euglena में pigments present थे, they were just similar to what we see in higher plants that include chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Moving to figure B, जो figure B है, it shows thousands of cilia on its outer structure. Hence, जो figure B है, that is for organism Paramecium. जो Paramecium है वो एक प्रोटोजोन है and it was included under the kingdom Protista. जो Paramecium है, it uses cilia for its locomotion, and one of the key features associated with Paramecium is जो इसका माउथ का स्ट्रक्चर होता है दैट इज नोन एज गलेट, एंड सीलिया अपनी ओर लाइक मूवमेंट से, जिसे हम कहते हैं चप्पू जैसी मूवमेंट से, फूड लेडन विद वाटर को लेके आता है पैरामीशियम के माउथ तक, सो दैट पैरामीशियम कैन इजीली एनगल्फ द फूड and fulfill its nutritional requirement. Moving to figure C, जो figure C है that shows a club-like structure on its top surface. Hence ये suggest करता है कि ये एक club fungi है, that means Basidiomycetes. और ये जो particular fungi है that is Agaricus, which is also known as mushroom, जो कि एक edible fungi है and it is included under the kingdom fungi, और जो इसका group है that is Basidiomycetes. जो Basidiomycetes होते हैं they lack asexual spores because इनमें asexual fruiting body ही absent होती है, whereas जो sexual spores होते हैं they are present and they are respectively called as Basidiospores, which are produced exogenously. Now if we combine all the figures, so जो figure A है that shows a Euglena, figure B shows Paramecium, whereas जो figure C है that shows Agaricus. Now if we look at the respective options, option A matches correctly with our understanding, A as Euglena, B as Paramecium, and C as Agaricus. Hence the correct answer is option A. I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.